Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send product updates via WhatsApp for Facebook lead ads leads. Let's suppose I am running a business and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Facebook lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, I should send them the product update using WhatsApp Cloud API. Doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between this Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically I am going to send them the product updates using this WhatsApp Cloud API. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the product updates with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API to all our Facebook leads, and for this I am going to create an amazing integration with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I am simply going to build connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into a Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster, and more flexible one. Then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send product updates via WhatsApp for Facebook lead ads lead, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select it as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where it is asking me to enter the trigger application. So I am going to send the product updates with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API to all my Facebook lead ads lead, which means whenever I am going to receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, automatically I am going to send them this product update, which means whenever I am going to receive a new lead in Facebook lead ad, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ad, and then in my action application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Facebook lead ads. And then I'm going to select this, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select this new lead instant and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I've already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why it is asking me whether I want to continue with the same account. So I'm going to continue with the same account, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization, and here connection created successfully. Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the page name and the lead lead gen form. So to get this page name, I'm going to open my Facebook account first. So this is the page which I've created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all my advertisements with the help of this particular page. So I will be selecting this page from this drop down. The name of the page is Digital Dynamics. Now to get this lead gen form, I will be opening Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. Now on the top where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the resources and then click on this developer tools, and then this page will appear in front of me, where if I scroll down I can see this lead ads audio debug tool. So I'm going to open this, and then this lead ads testing tool has appeared in front of me. So first I'm going to select the page. The page is Digital Dynamics and the form is DD lead form. So I will be using this lead form in all of my advertisements. DD lead form, you can see all the fields which this form has: first name, email, last name, phone number. So we are going to select this. I'll go back towards my workflow and select the same form. Now if you want to capture the response from all of the forms, you can simply select it as all lead gen form. I specifically want to get the response from this DD lead form, so I have selected that. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, you simply need to click on the save and send test request, and you will see it has changed to this waiting for response. And this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I will be generating the lead in my Facebook. And as soon as I receive this lead in this workflow, this shows the connection setup is working fine here. So I'm going to open the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and I will be doing the form submission, or I will be generating the lead over here itself. But before doing this, we have to make sure that we delete the lead, and then we have to make sure that we refresh this page once after the lead has been deleted. So I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics and the form as DD lead form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. So this DD lead form has appeared in front of me, and I'm going to enter all these details. So I'm going to fill in some dummy details here. Let's say my first name is current, my last name is user, my email address is currentuser@pabblytudes.com, and then my phone number is this. Now after adding all these details, I'm simply going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to click on this submit. Now here, as soon as I've done this form submission, I've generated this lead. I should have captured the response in this workflow. I'm going to open this workflow. Let's wait for the response, and here we can see that we have captured the response. As soon as we have captured the response, we can say the connection setup is working fine. So the name which we have submitted was current user, email address was currentuser@pabblytudes.com, and this was the phone number. Here, as soon as we have done form submission, we have captured that response, and whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission in future, I will start capturing those responses also here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step. So as soon as I receive a new lead, I want to send them the product update via WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. And in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter all these details. So if I go back towards this Meta for Developers, on the top, on the right hand side, you can see this My Apps, and I have created the application which I'm going to open, and we will be landed towards the app dashboard. Now on the left hand side, you can see all these options from where we have to go towards the WhatsApp and then click on this API setup. As soon as we do this API setup page has opened in front of me, and I am provided with a phone number ID, WhatsApp business ID, and the access token also. I need to generate this access token. And to do this, I'm going to simply click on this generate access token, and then I'm going to reconnect with Facebook. And I'm provided with the access token which I'm going to copy with all these details also to my Pabbly Connect workflow. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save, and here WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter the receiver phone number. So I'm not going to enter any of these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from Facebook lead ads, and when I click on this field, I can see this Facebook lead ads. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter the phone number and then I'm going to enter this template ID. So to get this template ID, I'm going to open my API setup again, and over here if I scroll down, I get this create your own template. I'm going to open this hyperlink and it will take me towards this message templates page. So here I've already created templates. If you want to create a new template, you simply need to click on this create template and you will be landed towards the template page. So first you have to select the template. I'm going to select it as custom. I'm going to click on this next, and then from this page you can start creating your template. You have to provide the name, select the language, you have to select the variable you want to be number or the name, and then if you want to provide the header message, you can enter that. You want to provide the body or the footer, you can enter according to your choice and preference. We also have this add button, with the help of which you can add the quick reply button, or you can add the call to action, in which you can add the visit website, call on WhatsApp, call phone number, and a copy of our code. So here I am going to show you how we can create this custom template. So this is the template which I have created, for example, and then I have added this. Now what is this? So this is a custom variable with the help of which whenever we get a new response, this keeps changing with the value of whatever we receive. So if I'm receiving the response from any form submission or from the Facebook lead ads, this is going to get replaced with the name or the details of the new lead. So that's why we call it as custom variable, and over here we have this option of variable in which either we can use the number. I have selected it as number and that's why I have used the number, or you can select it as name and then you have to provide the name in this custom variable. So you simply have to create the curly braces, write the name or the number, and then close the curly braces. After doing so, you have to provide the value to this variable. So I have created a template which I'm going to open at for you, and I will be telling you how the value changes when you send a message. So here after doing this, you have to give the name, you have to select the language, and you simply have to click on the submit for review. After a few seconds, your template will be reviewed and then you can use this template to your workflows. I've already created a template which I'm going to open and show it to you. So here this is the template which I have created. I have put one custom variable which is for the name of the lead, and this is going to change whenever I'm going to receive a new lead. Hello demo, we are excited to share new update from our digital marketing service. Then I have provided the product update and then the special offer. So this is the template which I have created by the name Facebook leads, and I will be selecting the same template. I'll go back towards my workflow, and in this template ID I have selected it as Facebook leads. In the language code I am going to enter it as EN, and then the selected template name, it is Facebook lead itself. The template has header no, and then the header type text value, media link, file name, location latitude, location longitude. These fields are not required when we simply want to send the template as a message with the product update. So I'm going to select the template, and then this template has body yes, and then in the variable I'm going to write or enter or map the name of the lead. So we have received the response from this Facebook lead ads. I'm going to click on this field, click on this Facebook leads, and I'm going to map the first name and the last name of this person. The template has button no, and then again button subtype and is button type. These fields are not required ones, so I'm going to skip this. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. I have entered all the required details, but over here I have entered a dummy phone number which I am going to remove for now, as on the execution of this workflow I want to show you the WhatsApp message which I am going to receive. So I am going to enter my own WhatsApp phone number. After entering all these details, I am simply going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So we have received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me quickly open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message or not. And here it is. We have received this message. Hello current user, we're excited to share new update from digital marketing service. What's new in our package? So this is the same exact template. You see that this is the same exact template, and the custom variable has been replaced with the name of this current user, which we have entered or mapped while creating this workflow. So now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and as soon as we did that, we wanted to send them the product update via WhatsApp. So we took our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, created a template, sent this template as a message, and finally received the response in my WhatsApp. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.